Okay, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and it is June 25th. All right, so we got an 8-day exponential moving average. It just started because the stock just started trading, right? And so this is the interesting thing about this. We don't have indicators like Bollinger Bands. I mean, you can make them if you go to a 15-minute, hey, there they all are right there. But on a daily chart, the only thing we really have to go on is the price. And here's the thing, this puppy went all the way up to 300. Okay, well, I've just activated all of my lines that I use to trade this with our gang at Stock Market Mentor. So, but I'm going to take this back off. What I wanted to show you is that a stock like this, and I mentioned this to our people, we were out of this a couple days ago, right at the high. Really, I had said, I'll pat myself on the back, but that's not why whatever. I had said when the stock is down like, I think 200 even, and then it started pushing through 200, I said, with this pure momentum here, this thing could go to 300. It's not a measured move. It's not anything other than me looking at it going, wow, that's a lot of momentum. If I own the stock, I would say, well, if it gets to 300, I'll sell. And so that's what I was looking at when I'm watching this stock. But this is the thing. And maybe, I don't know, everybody's made this mistake at one point or another. You start getting the FOMOs, the can't help it's the, oh my gosh, I'm missing out on this trade. And you watch it go up, and then finally you wind up buying it like right at the highs. Or probably more commonly, you've bought it here and you're not thinking about selling into strength because you're concerned that you're going to miss the trade, that the stock's going to keep going without you. And that's exactly what it did do here. And so what I was doing all along the way was looking at where we're getting into the stock. And we had a great trade on this stock, which I'll show you in just a minute. But so we got into the stock really, really early at 119, clear down here, just because this is kind of my IPO strategy that I like when I see this kind of thing. It's kind of a textbook Fitzpatrick buy. I don't think I'm the only one that does this. Obviously, a lot of people do. But so we got the stock here, and then right away I'm calculating like, okay, well here we get it at 119 bucks or right around there. And then where am I going to put my stop? I'm going to put my stop just a little bit below this day's intraday low right here. And so I'm risking about 8 to maybe 9%. And so then I just start multiplying that 9%, like adding it up. Okay, what's 9, what's 18, what's 27, to find out like where my risk return is. And I'm looking for the highest R value that I can get. And like here at 180, this 6R trade means that when the stock gets to 181, I am actually making 6 times what I have risked on the trade. For every dollar that I've risked, I'm making 6 times. And so ultimately, this trade goes up further and further, almost to 300. I don't even know, and there's no reason to calc it. I don't even know what my return was when it comes to R multiples. I just know that it was a lot. But this is how this trade worked out on Trade Track. Buy the stock here, IPO very close to breaking out. And I'd already calced, like, I didn't bother to go past 180 when I first did this, but like, these are the numbers that I really, really want to see. And then so you can see where we sold some and took partial profits. And then just a couple days ago, took off the rest when the target was hit. And on the chart here, this is what this looked like. Buy them here, sell some here, sell some here, and sell some here. And then at this point now, I wouldn't want to be anywhere near this stock. I'm not going to say Circle is going to flatline. That was a pun intended here. But I'm saying that this could go a lot lower because this was massive volume on the way up. Okay, huge volume on the way up here, which means that a lot of people are trapped in this stock. I hope it's not you. But as the stock doesn't move higher, you're going to get more and more people that are kind of giving up the ghost and are going to be selling. So I think this thing, okay, pulled back to 200 and it kind of knifed right through it. There's no reason that this can't go continue to fall. I mean, it could fall down to 150, and frankly, there'd be nothing wrong with the stock when you look at it. I mean, it opens up here, and then it runs up to 150. That's a double in a very short period of time. It doesn't work for people that bought up here. So the point that I'm making, though, is it's really quick. You got to know when it's time for Elvis to leave the building. And when a stock does this so early, like you don't even have the typical indicators, when the stock does that, you really, really need to just say, okay, thank you, sir. I'm not even going to ask for another because this is a pretty rare thing, but thanks very much. And I'm not going to spit in the face of the gods of Wall Street. So anyway, that's how I kind of traded this stock. Again, the idea was to be in and then out on as the stock climbs higher. So anyway, I hope this works for you guys. And I will see you next time.